Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This card is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We will start with these cards here, guys. We have Ace of Air, Messenger of Air and Page of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, guys, Cancers, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship, guys, in your personal life. Maybe today things are going fast, maybe in your career situation, maybe some whatever you faced before, some delays or suspensions, all that is gaining momentum and things are moving in a positive way, guys, towards success. So maybe some beginning, a new beginning of a project or your existing work itself, it is gaining momentum and things are speeding up maybe and making you progress in a positive way today, guys, in your situation. And I also see that in your relationship or in your career situation, you are someone who has that clear knowledge and you have your perfect decision or opinions in any circumstance, guys. And today you are responding in a very positive way. So what you need to do, and you are adapting, being really flexible, taking up the right choices and acting swiftly for your highest good, and a very positive change is what I see, guys, Cancers. So in your career, whatever you expect, you are getting something beyond your expectation, guys. So your situation is beyond your expectation and you are really happy for it, because all that you are getting today is a very positive result, guys. So you are happy, maybe it is destiny, the reason for things going in such a way, guys. So in your situation today, Cancers, you are destined to be happy in love and happy in your career situation. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It will give us more clarity. So we have Page of Water. So it just means that in your relationship today, you are stepping into a deeper commitment with this person, guys. You have that intimacy, closeness to this person, and you are you are like a child, innocent and curious, playful, cheerful in this connection, or to be with this person. You both share a great understanding and attraction with each other, and you are really happy today, guys, to be with this person you love. So things are going in a positive way in your relationship, guys. Again, your situation is beyond your expectation. So everything is happening in a very positive way, Cancers. Let's see what's the card for your career situation. It is Patience. Maybe in your career situation, guys, whatever is happening, you need to, maybe there may be some troubles, but if you wait, you are going to succeed. That is what this card means. So if you have that patience to hold on, wait for the right chance, that right chance is going to reach you very soon, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this reading, guys. So that is coming up right now, Cancer. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes. Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it is the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly all right in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation, but in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.